Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the world of the Breville 3X Bluicer Pro, a remarkable combination of blender and juicer that brings versatility and innovation to your kitchen. With its 3.5-inch wide chute and cold spin technology, this appliance allows you to extract fresh juice directly into a 50 ounces jug, while its 5 one-touch programs and 10 speed settings make crafting smoothies, cocktails, and more a breeze. The space-saving design features a unique layout with the pulp bin located behind the brushed stainless steel base, maximizing your countertop space without sacrificing functionality. The Kinetix bowl and blade system enhances versatility by combining powerful blending with some food processing tasks, allowing you to crush ice into snow or create creamy smoothies and soups with ease. For those looking to elevate their blending experience, the Bluicer Pro is compatible with the Vac Q, which removes air from the jug before blending for smoother textures and richer flavors. Thanks to the cold extraction system, your juice maintains its freshness with minimal temperature increase, while the 3.5-inch feed chute reduces prep time by allowing you to juice whole fruits and vegetables. With accessories like a juicing jug, pulp jug, and cleaning brush, plus a 2-year limited product warranty, the Breville 3X Bluicer Pro is a powerhouse addition to any kitchen, offering endless possibilities for vibrant and healthy creations. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.